Hey folks, producer Jim here from the Around the House radio show, America's #1 home improvement powerhouse. I've seen Eric test thousands of gadgets over his 30-plus years as a certified kitchen designer, and he's just dropped his hand-curated top 10 picks for 2026 that'll make your home smarter, safer, and way more efficient. Rush to AroundTheHouseOnline.com, top products, now. Click the bold names for Amazon deals and snag them before they're gone. Eric G's favorites for 2026. Your house deserves this upgrade. Hold on tight. We have a great Around the House show coming up this weekend. Help us out and subscribe on your favorite podcast player. In the first hour of the Around the House show, Eric G. and John Dudley talk about that timeless debate, when do you fix it and when do you replace it? You might be surprised at some of their answers.
My first one is a toilet. If that toilet is over 10 years old, unless it's some like avocado green or harvest gold this period that you're not going to go match, those I'd say if you want to keep that vintage mid-century look or something, yeah, you're going to have to repair it. You're not getting another one. But if you've got that 1990s, 2010s builder grade toilet in there, just run down to your local home improvement plumbing store. Don't go to the big box store. Go down there and pick up a Toto one. Or if you're only going to be going to Home Depot or Lowe's, get the highest end Kohler one that they sell on the shelf. That'll get close because Kohler's starting to catch up to those guys. Yeah. But really, if you want to have something that's going to flush, something that's going to work great, it's going to save you money because you're not going into that 1.6 gallon. You get down to a 1 gallon flush with those. And if you're paying for water, that gets expensive.
In the second hour, Eric G. and John Dudley discuss that late winter home prep that can save you some serious money when springtime comes around on unneeded repairs.
I love talking about these kind of preventive things we could do like we are today, about those tips for winter prevention around your house, because there are so many things where you can spend 20 minutes to a half hour and prevent hundreds to thousands to tens of thousands of dollars of damage that you're fighting later on. And I love it when you can spend a minute or two and fix things before they get bad.
Yeah. It's so important that I'm the guy that always puts that stuff off. I'm like, no, it'll only take 15 minutes, so I'll do it later instead of doing it in 15 minutes. That's the cobbler's shoes, man. That's the cobbler's shoes is what that is.
For you and me, it's the cobbler's shoes. And then you throw in our ADHD of where we're squirrel and we're jumping on something else too. It goes that way between you and I.
But no, the stuff's so important, and literally. And I used to be forced when I was married. Michelle would be like, all right, this Sunday, we're doing all the winter stuff.
All that and more on Saturday's Around the House show with Eric G. If you work in the trades or construction or design business, check out the Around the House Pro Insider podcast. That is back. Just find it on your favorite podcast player. If you want to hear more, listen right here on this podcast player to find out the answers. That's a wrap, folks. Another wild ride of home maintenance mayhem and project starting swagger in the books. Huge thanks to our awesome audience for tuning in. You're the real MVPs, keeping us on air while we dodge rogue ladders and those ancient website crashes. Catch you this Saturday for more laughs, tips, and maybe a few questionable DIY decisions. Until then, keep your hammers swinging and your Wi-Fi strong. See you soon.
Hey, it's Eric G. with Around the House. Are you looking to grow your business? Need a spokesperson for your company? Maybe an MC for an upcoming trade show? Or maybe you want to up your game and shoot some promotional videos? My team of experts would love to chat with you. Head to AroundTheHouseOnline.com and fill out the Contact Us form, and we'll set something up. Thanks for listening to Around the House.